Benji boy, come here. Can you water him? Water Benji boy. And the other dogs too. He wouldn't give up, son.
Are you happy? Bayawa? Yeah, he likes it, Bablo.
I'm not so sure. He likes the sun, not the water.
No, he likes it. Look at him, he's skin.
But he is nice. He grew. He doubled in size.
Yeah, he's big. You have a visitor, Benji boy. He's a visitor. He live here. Benji, come, come. No, 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 no.
Just spray him. He doesn't like water. Okay, I will stop the video because this may be a long saga. God knows how long this Biawak is gonna stay there. And dogs are kind of more quiet now. Spray him again.
He doesn't like the water.
Well, he killed a cat this morning. That son of a gun.
Is it a she or a he? It looks like a he or a she.
Well,
A female?
we don't know really. Okay, I'm gonna stop now.
Take a photo of him, Bob.